The truth is really pure and never simple. There was once a guy named Neil, a content creator who had been pouring his heart into videos, streams, and every piece of content he made. As April Fool's Day approached, he came up with a harmless prank, a simple post saying he was quitting content creation. Nothing mean spirited, just a light moment of mischief to catch his viewers off guard and maybe make them smile when he revealed the truth. He posted it, and as expected, people reacted. A few friends like Mick and Ray got concerned. One of them even spent hours trying to talk Neil out of it. Another messaged briefly, then vanished. But Neil had it all planned. He revealed the truth at midnight on April 1st and even uploaded an apology video few days later just in case anyone felt hurt. That's when things got complicated. Jay, the friend who had only messaged briefly, unfriended Neil without a word. When Neil noticed and reached out, hurt but still trying to fix things, Jay blocked him. No explanation, just silence. And that silence didn't just stay between Neil and Jay, it spilled into other friendship. As a mutual friend began accusing Neil of not caring, of playing with people's emotions, Neil was left wondering, did I really do something that bad? But when he looked back, he realized he never acted out of malice. He responded with respect. He apologized publicly. He reached out privately. He tried. And sometimes that's all a person can do. In life, people will sometimes misunderstand your intentions, even when your heart's in the right place. Some will walk away without listening, while others will try to make you carry guilt that was never yours to begin with. But the truth is this: how you handle a mistake says more about who you are than the mistake itself. Own it, grow from it, and move forward. The ones who truly care will see the full picture. The rest, they never were really meant to stay.